Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip taken from a log video that I just finished to record for my subscribers covering many markets, 70 minutes video. The clip that I have for you is as usual focusing on gold and silver. In addition, I like to mention that I'm going to reopen the special offer that I have running from time to time in celebration of modification of my website. I'm renovating, improving, so you'll get a chance to see that. If you're interested, I will be providing more details at the end of this clip. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and have a great trading week. Bye now. Hey, silver. That's the 15 minutes of silver. I told you that I suspected what's going on here is corrective, and my opinion has not changed. The market is going sideways here, is preparing, as far as I can see, for a shot above 14.9 on the 15-minute scale. Yes, but I would continue to assume that what we are seeing here is corrective, either as an A, B, C like that, or as an A, B, C, and that's your X. Okay, running up, you have 5 legs with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's your A, and then morphing into a triangle here gives you a B. Yes, a B, and then another short C. In short, this is corrective, and it's likely to result in a reversal in silver, going back to the ground of 13.9 and potentially quite a bit lower. Sorry. This is the chart of gold on the 4-hour scale. Gold has gone nowhere now for quite a bit of time. It is menacing to run above the top here. I still maintain that what we see here is unlikely to be the beginning of a major bull run. I still think that there is a fair chance that that's going to morph into basically the 4th wave. We can see here one alternative, the rebound back here, if it continues and if it goes above 12.14, this level, it will mark the potential here for an A, B, C. Okay, that in itself, again, no guarantee we're going into a major bull run. A, B, C means it could easily be a 4th wave, and it could still come down all the way to 1160 and lower. Now, if it doesn't even manage to climb above this level, the discussion becomes even shorter. The 4th wave is almost certainly in process here. Okay, and what's happening is that we have an ABC. That's going to be your A, that's going to be your B. If it doesn't manage to run above this level and it sinks down, that could happen soon at under 1195. It declares this as an A, B, C. That will be your D. Let me just draw it for you. Like that. Okay. There is, of course, a possibility that I'm wrong. In which way I could be wrong, and how could you detect it fairly soon? Let me show you. Suppose it does manage to run higher, and we end up having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And suppose I'm completely off track, and this is the beginning of a major bull run, and that is 1, and that is 2. What's going to happen next? Well, fairly simple. If that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're going to see stabilization here. You're going to see the market having conquered or overcome the overhead resistance. Conquered new territory, and you're going to see doing this. Once you see such a thing, and that's going to last quite a few days, you see such a thing and you see another breakout, then that's for buying. That's for buying. There'll be a sustained move up. It might take easily quite a few weeks, if not a few months. But this kind of price action that you see here should alert you that gold flipped to the upside, and it's got the momentum, it's got what it needs to continue a lot higher. But you need this price action, which you see here. Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with some details of the special offer that I mentioned to you early on. So you need to go on my website. You find it at Wavemastery, yes, www.wavemastery.com. That's the front page. You see I have, if you are familiar with the previous version, you can see this is a modified version, and you run through. There is a bit of text here, and concerning the special offer, you will see some tabs here that focus on the offer. It begins with the trial for the daily videos, a trial that is costing you only $9.99 for 1 week. If you like what you see, you have more details about what is covered in the trial as well as in the daily videos once you click on the subscribe here, but this gives you just a very brief idea of what is really covered. If you go for the daily videos, you click here. If you want to go for the weekend videos, obviously you click here. Let's suppose you go for the daily videos. You click here, it takes you to the page that gives you full explanation of what is involved. If you are from Europe, VAT applies. Most countries are subject to VAT, so you have to select your country here. If you are from anywhere else, if you are from the UK, USA, Belgium, oddly enough, because I'm based in Belgium, but in Belgium, you don't pay VAT. So USA, UK, Belgium, the rest of the world, basically, you don't pay any VAT. Only $79 applies. So your subscription will start with the $9.99. After 1 week, the $79 will kick in every month. You click on that, it takes you to PayPal. You go through it's a straightforward process. You pay, you see it starts with for the first 7 days, $9.99. You go through that, it takes you back to the page, and essentially you get your logins. Yes, you go through, you have to fill in all your details, gives you the login, and you will need more information for me. So as soon as you subscribe, I will get in touch with me. I will provide you the necessary details to complete your subscription and have access to the videos. If we go back to the main page, I just want to run very quickly here through the menu. I'm in the process of actually introducing some changes to my website, so the front page might look slightly different. Maybe in the next week or so I will be adding a few links here and there, but in general I have written a few articles here that you might like to take a look at. Is this website for me? Psychology and trading, trading and the arts, why join? You go through, you've got a subscribe here, also gives you an access to the special promotional offer. Yeah, it's just another way of accessing it. Instead of coming from the front page, yeah, you will have access through the menu here. Your subscription that relates to the pages once you subscribe, once you log in, etc. It tells you which one is your subscription, etc. You have resources here in chart galleries. You have a lot of charts giving you a very good idea how this principle of the Elliott waves is being applied to various markets at various time scales. It's very, very interesting. You should go through that if you are really a fan of charts. Useful link, recommended reading list, all the other things are fairly standard. Take a look. Contact us. That's for any issue that comes you come across. You have a question, you have a doubt, you have anything you want to discuss with me, just use contact us. Normally for the payment I'm using PayPal, but you can pay through other means. For example, I can accept money through Skrill. There is even a possibility to make a wire transfer to the account of the company that I use, yes, to run this website. If you don't have PayPal or you don't want to use PayPal, there are other ways to pay and to join. There are a few comments here that people put on my concerning my work. In the past I had many more. Because I'm in the process of improving, I'll have to transfer, bring more of the history, yes, of my work to this new version. Again, if you have any questions, you just press this. That takes you to the contact us page. Name, email address, please make sure you give me the right email address. Message, very simple maths, fill it in here, submit, and I get it. So I mentioned that I'm in principle I'm in Belgium. So if you write to me from the US or from Australia or anywhere in the world and I don't reply on the spot, please give me a few hours. I will reply. Okay, I will reply. This particular weekend, I have gone through covering a lot of the charts that are affecting the forex market, the precious metals. And there is some really very, very interesting study that I'm sure you would absolutely love if you're interested in the precious metals and in currencies in general. Okay, so I think at the very least it's worth your while to have a go for a trial. Go for a trial, and you see you will have access, and you can ask me also some questions if you like, and then you'll see how things evolve for you. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. I'm here to help. I hope to see you visiting my website, supporting my work. Wish you have a great trading week. All the best. Bye for now.